Ours is a 30 years of rich history. We have started this journey in 1992. It was started by my father. The journey began in 1997 in prefabricated domain when Government of India were about to launch FM stations, and they were looking for somebody who can do prefabricated or a temporary structure which can sustain for a longer duration. Thus, we provide them a solution and warranty where the building can sustain for 20 years, and thus the journey began. Well, there are many companies in India who claim to be prefabricated manufacturer, but what sets us apart is philosophy and a total thinking where we say our company is design centric. We produce each and every building based on specific design, based on specific terrain, based on specific condition of the region. We take care of each and every IS code prevailing that area, and thus what makes us different and unique. A prefabricated building, when we talk about, the process starts right from conceptualization where the design team is involved, then what kind of a material is needed, and it all actually gets tied up with the help of our rich experience where we have covered the length and breadth of the country, where we know exactly what kind of a material is suited, what kind of region is there, what kind of a soil is there. So we start from the design, then we move on to the sales and quotation part, and once the order is final, we move to the production, shipment and on-site installation. The beauty is the on-site installation here takes the minimum of the time. Like if I tell you, the 36 room 3-story building in suburbs of Mumbai will not take us more than 25 days to deliver. So that's the speed of the construction we are talking today.
We believe in giving quality and professional experience to all our customers, and that's why after sales service is one of our key features. Any kind of service request which gets generated gets catered to within 1 week of time. We also give service to our buildings wherever possible, and even when they are out of warranty. To give you some instances, we also have given services to the CRPF and also Indian Air Force. Innovation is apparent from the kind of solutions we give, and we have given a solution of removing completely a Russian wooden vehicle, and that has been replaced by our solution, and we have given a very robust solution to them which is useful in difficult terrains. This solution was very well recognized by the Indian Air Force, and we have been appreciated for that.
The biggest challenges that we face on site are regarding the safety of the laborers that are working on the site. Secondly, we have to stick to the schedule that we have given to the client, and thirdly is completion of the projects within thin timelines. Like we had to complete a 6,000 square feet of office space within a span of 25 days, and we were able to complete that within 21 days, and we got the handover on the 24th day. In multi-decor, to maintain the quality is the priority. To maintain the quality of the products, we check the MTCs that are being supplied by the manufacturers. Secondly, we perform all the lab tests on the steel components that are required, and we also ensure that the material quality is good by doing all the physical tests that can be done on the workshop floor.
The first and most important thing is that the workmen who are fabricating should be skilled, and we ensure that the workers who are working or doing fabrication are highly skilled and are aware of the tools and techniques that are required for carrying out the welding, and that too very precisely and maintaining the accuracy and quality. We ensure that the production line gets cleared up faster. Like when fabrication is done, it is quickly shifted to the painting part, wherein the painting can be done, and simultaneously after the painting it is shifted to the stacking area or the bay area from where the dispatches are to be done. By having a coordinated movement of these items from fabrication to paint house and to dispatch, we ensure that the quality remains intact, be it fabrication, be it at the time of painting, and the final inspection gets done at the time of dispatch. And if there are any defects or any quality issues observed, the same is held and not dispatched at the site. Safety is always the first priority whenever we are working, whosoever is working in a construction site, and we ensure that no safety lapses occur at our sites, and we follow all the protocols that the client asks us to follow, because safety cannot be taken for granted, and we ensure that we follow the same.
We at Multi Decor, we provide one-stop solution to our clients across India. We deals in LGSF, PEB and prefabricated structures. That is one of our USP in this market. And apart from this, Multi Decor is a 3 decades old company. We are having presence across India. Presently, we have been doing works in far east of the country, and we have done projects in high terrains of Himalayas. In past, we have done our projects in Kanyakumari.
Most of the time, Western world think India is not at par with the world standard. But let me tell you something. We have worked with a Norwegian client, we have worked with a Japanese client, we have worked with most of the European and the US consultants, and we are proud to say today that we can match any world standard. Our building is today standing proud in minus 25 degree. Our building is standing proud today at 50 degree. We have worked almost on all the biggest of the projects in India, be it the Statue of Unity, be it the Kudankundam nuclear project, be it any of the airports. We have delivered lounges which is of world standard inside the international airports. So I am confident today's India will be the world superpower matching the world standard. And we at MDIPL will be delivering prefabricated solution at new rate and new speed.